Draw thee with Mimi 3. I fixed up her body a lil. The shape was off greater than C.
Much better.
I decided to add these lil-like lines to make her look more metal or robot. McTeam 3. A boot thingies.
Anyone be?
What the fuck?
She's just sad I erased her ugly face. Wow, I love this. Boom outlining 3. I colored in her face. Screen greater than. Coloring process 3. Wooey whoa. I hope you like it.
Fluttershy.
Kiwi out. 3.